protege, sina Mentor Jolina and Mentor Gina. Here are Mikoy and Thea.
Warm-up namin is magkulitan.
Mas napakita namin yan sa mirror exercise.
Sa mirror exercise namin.
You make me feel like I'm living up.
Okay. Sige, malinis naman yung ginawa mo. Tama yung aral mo.
Sa performance po namin, may parts naman na hindi nag-jive yung boses namin.
Pero nasosolusyonan namin, sinasabi namin yung pagkakamali ng isa't isa para mas gumanda yung maging performance. Pag sa expressions naman, siyempre kay Miss Gina, kailangan talagang parang totoo yung
Yes.
connection.
Totoo naman talaga. Ang makikita niyo sa tandem namin is...
Kilig.
And basta mapapangiti kayo, yun na lang. Yung ngiti kayo, abot tayo.
I think you're pretty without any makeup on. I think you're funny when you tell the punchline wrong. I know you get it, so I let my walls come down, down.
Let's go all the way tonight. No regrets, just love and we can dance until we die. You and I will be on forever. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on,
I can't sleep. Turn away and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back.
let's go all the way tonight. No regrets, just love and we can dance until we die. You and I will be young forever. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. Let's run away and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. I'ma get your heart racing in my skin tight. Just be our teenage dream. The way you touch me, put your hands on me in my skin tight. Just don't ever look back. Don't ever look back.
Okay, Direk Bert, kanina nung unang tatlo, halos sasabi ng mga judges, halos pantay yung mga duo natin. Pero this time, do you think merong mas weak na nag-perform o sa tingin nyo pantay pa rin silang dalawa ngayon?
Well, I like these two. Tonight, I like you too. Kasi, kanina, we were all swept away by yung ginawa ni Japs sa ni El, no? Sabi nga ni Joey, ang lakas, kompleto. Ngayon, that's a tough act to follow. Pero yung ginawa nyo ngayon, kung ito this is an artista search, di ba? So, hindi maiwasan magkaroon ng mga love team. Bagay na bagay kayo eh. Kasi, pareho kayong, kung magkakaparehas na naghahanap ng love team, kayo ang front runners siguro. Kasi you complement each other. Pareho kayong cute, lovable, and wholesome. Okay? Now, having said that, maganda rin na sumali kayo dito sa Artista Break kasi medyo nahihinaan ako sa singing ninyo. Kung doon kayo sa first season sumali, patay kayo sa mga kalaban nyo doon. Because ang gagaling one tap. Pero ito nga, because sa Artista Break, pareho kayong may tremendous potential na maging stars. At yun ang hinahanap namin. So, Mikoy, Thea, okay sa akin.
Ako, so far, yung top 2, sila at saka yung kanina, pareho may props sa mga kama. Hindi ko lang maintindihan. Kung may bilang yung kama, kung importante.
Tama.
So, importante yung kama po. Kaya habulin nyo na yung mga susunod. Kumuha na kayo
May
ng
time
kama.
pa kayo. May time pa.
May time pa.
Ayos, maraming salamat.
Text ng kama.
Thank you, judges. Make Thea and Nicoy stay in the competition. Vote for them by texting Protege, space, name of Protege, and send to 2344 at 367.